This is How to Minwax. We're going to show you how to use PolyShades to easily change the color of bare or previously finished wood without removing the existing finish. PolyShades combines rich stain color and long-lasting polyurethane protection to enhance wood grain in one easy step. To use PolyShades on wood that has an existing finish, you'll need Minwax Wood Cabinet Cleaner and your chosen color of Minwax PolyShades, a synthetic sanding pad or 220 grit sandpaper, rubber gloves, a foam applicator, or a high-quality Purdy tapered natural bristle brush, a drop cloth, clean stir sticks, several lint-free rags, and grade 000 or finer steel wool. Prep the existing finish with Minwax Wood Cabinet Cleaner, cleaning the surface to safely remove all dirt and grime. Then lightly scuff the clean, dried existing finish with a synthetic sanding pad or 220 grit sandpaper, and use the bristle attachment on your vacuum to remove all dust. Next, thoroughly stir PolyShades and test it on a hidden area of the wood to make sure you're achieving the desired color. Once confirmed, apply a very thin coat back and forth in the direction of the grain using smooth, even strokes. Be sure to carefully blend freshly dipped brush strokes by starting a few inches from where you left off. You can also use a foam brush. Once you have an even layer, resist the urge to dab or overbrush, which could mar the finish. Let the coat dry for 6 or more hours, and then lightly rub the surface with very fine steel wool, wipe the surface clean, and repeat the process. We recommend 2 to 3 thin coats for best coverage. To apply Minwax PolyShades to stripped, unstained, or new wood, first make sure the surface is dry, clean, and free of dirt, grease, and glue. Then sand the wood in the direction of the grain until smooth and remove all sanding dust. Now apply Minwax oil-based pre-stain wood conditioner, being sure to follow label directions. After waiting 5 to 15 minutes, wipe with a lint-free rag, thoroughly stir your PolyShades, and begin to apply a very thin coat with the grain in smooth, even strokes. Let it dry for 6 or more hours. Then gently rub the surface with very fine steel wool, wipe the surface clean, and repeat the process until you've achieved your desired color. No top coat necessary. So that's it. Simple process, professional results. Thanks for watching.